This video provides a short overview of the human resource functionality that is now available for Maze. The HR module assists schools with the management of staff-related information and processes. It provides a mechanism to track the various positions within the school and the staff appointed to them over a period of time. And it provides staff with web access to lodge a leave application or access past copies of pay slips or pay-as-you-go summaries. Let's start by looking at how this new module integrates with the staff-related information that already exists in your current Maze database. The Human Resource module's personnel entity sits between the staff table you already use in your Maze core module and the employee table, which is part of your payroll functionality. Once the HR module is implemented, this personnel table becomes the single point of truth for all staff-related details, and all common information is automatically updated into your staff and employee tables from here. Not all staff will have a record in all three entities, staff, employees, and personnel, but as all staff details are now managed through HR, everyone will have a personnel record. Let's see what this looks like in Maze. The Personnel Details display screen is used to update and manage all staff-related information. It provides access to additional details via the tabs across the top of the screen and the in-screen navigation menu on the left-hand side. Expiry reminders are available and can be configured for 5 predetermined date fields, shown in the top half of this screen. Additionally, up to 6 school-definable dates are available. These reminders trigger automated emails, and the recipients of these emails, as well as the start date and frequency, can be configured and managed by the school through this setup screen. As we are moving through to view staff and employee information, you will note that some data entry fields have now become read-only. This is because the common staff details are now managed through HR. A new feature for Maze is the ability to store electronic documents within the Maze database. The Personnel Attachments and Notes section allows you to attach multiple files or documents to an employee's record. It can also be used to record multiple date-stamped file notes. To assist with the process of managing induction tasks for new staff at the school, Maze enables you to set up a list of school-specific tasks in form of a template. For each task, you can specify the time frame it is required in and who is responsible for its completion. Once the template has been set up, it can be applied to a new staff member. I'm opening the personnel record for a new staff member who will start at my school on the 1st of October and open her induction task list. Clicking on the Load Template Task button will load her task list with the template tasks and calculate the appropriate due dates. I can now manually update this list, adding or removing tasks as appropriate. I can also change or specify who will be responsible for each task's completion. Once I'm happy with my list, I can trigger an initial email to be sent to the persons that I have assigned tasks to. Additional email reminders will be automatically sent for each task until it has been flagged as completed or is no longer required. For each position at my school, I can specify a unique ID and description, who this position reports to, and whether it is allocated to a specific division or department or is located at a certain campus. In the same way that the attachment section for personnel allows me to attach a document or notes to an individual person, this attachment section allows me to attach a document or notes to a position. For each position, I can also view the staff who are currently or were previously appointed to this position. For the purpose of creating an org chart, I can export the position and appointment details as of a certain date to a CSV file. This can then be used to create a visual representation using a third-party tool such as Microsoft Visio. For schools who have chosen to implement the eMaze web portal, staff can use eMaze to submit a leave application, attaching supporting documentation, if appropriate, and specifying the relevant authorizing officer. This triggers an automated approval workflow, with emails being generated and sent at appropriate times. The self-service portal through eMaze also provides access to previous payslips or pay-as-you-go summaries, which can be viewed on the screen or downloaded and printed. This concludes our demonstration. For further details and information, please contact our sales team. Thank you.